हेलो गाइस, आज आपको हम करवाते हैं। तो हेलो गाइस, आज हम नया ब्लॉग बनाते हैं जिसमें हम ओकरा कल्टीवेशन का स्पेशली विजिट करवाते हैं, जो कि रिसर्च फील्ड में कल्टीवेट किया जा रहा है। तो गाइस, ये है ओकरा की डिफरेंट स्पीसीज़। सो देख पा रहे हो यहाँ पे कितने सारे फ्रूटिंग लगी हुई है, और पर लीफ के हिसाब से फ्रूटिंग ये सेट हो रही है। और ये डिफरेंट वैरायटीज़ है ओकरा की, जो देख पा रहे हो। जनरली जो ग्रीन ओकरा, और यहाँ पे भी ये जो लाइक वाइट कलर ओकरा, और दिस और लाइक शिमला मिर्च टाइप ओकरा इज देयर। ये लाइक दिस वे it is coming fruits. You can just see this much length of fruit, this much plants we are cultivated here. And this field also you can check production too much is there. We are not harvesting for, because we are storing seeds. So these okra varieties are cultivated in this research area. And you guys look, these different varieties we are growing in growing in these fields. Or you can check this, so many fruiting is there in one plant, or we harvested 4-5 time already completed. We can count this plant how much fruits is there: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. In presently time, in 20 fruits is there in this plant, and we harvested 4-5 time already. So you can calculate, in one plant we can take 3 to 4 kgs okra in each plant. So we can grow this variety for home. So guys, this is useful video for farmers and agri students and agri horti. You guys look, these are so many fruits is there, and we can grow this variety in home for kitchen gardening purpose. So we can regularly harvest whenever we want to make these vegetables for in regular use and weekly use. So for and one bed is for sufficient for a family, so we can grow in home garden easily this variety for freshly harvested vegetables in regular purpose. And these all our varieties are growing in here, and this is especially for as like Simla mirch type. This variety is length is very fruit is length fruit is strength is too much big sizes, and in round shape like this Sanko type. And in this variety production is less, but is fruit is uni fruit, so we can grow, but it is maybe in market price is higher comparison local varieties of okra. And guys, this much is okra fruit is growing here. We are not harvesting proper, because of we want to store of seeds for next. And these students are doing work in this field. So they are also growing and also cultivated in brinjal. This is a type of brinjal. Of this is a green brinjal. You can check fruit weight something 300 milligram. Or this fruit size is completely mature, but it is almost is half kg fruit. So we can grow, and so many varieties there. And especially guys, look this variety. This variety is famous for bunching production. So in this variety, this fruit size is normal, not too much, but in this fruit is coming in bunch, so we can harvest and before ripening, and it is so much tasty fruits. So you can cultivate it in your field. So just here trial and research purpose. So I will introduce other varieties of brinjals. Okay guys, you look here, this is as like same bunching type of fruits, green, but here the fruit is coming in green as like what wheater god, not wheater god, like fruit is coming is like this way. Anybody is not say this is brinjal fruit or god fruit. This is like this surface color is green totally is, and it is nutritious fruits, so we can grow and our purpose. So it is coming also bunch type like this way, 5 fruit in each flower bunch. Okay guys, look here all our fruit are like yellow color, but I hope these all our fruits are mature over like ripening stage, it is completely over. These are gone on in ripening stage, so it is so much looking for fruits like yellow. Really I appreciate these fruits. Here ये देखो गाइस फ्रूट क्या क्या साइज फ्रूट, सो मच बिग फ्रूट साइज दिस, and so completely almost I visited half and half part of this field because too difficult to visit full of field. This so many varieties and species are cultivating here. इस प्लांट का क्या नाम है तेरे का? कैरम्बोला. कौन सा? This is star fruit carambola. Here we also growing fruit plants, and this is source of species of custard apple. So we here also cultivated this fruit plants. Just this is we are transplanted before 4, 5, 6 months ago. So it's now growing on condition in field. So guys, just we have to give irrigation of plants for evening time. It is good for properly irrigation, so plants absorb water in night time and survive to its moisture content maintenance for 6 to 8 days. So we have to give irrigation in evening time. So guys, completely almost this video will be make 8 to 10 minutes. If somebody says by mistake is I say in wrong way, so forget it, and if any mistake is there, you can put a comment and give me suggestions. So how I can improve my video, so you will be visible. Or these all are okra, so widely okra, so no fruit is production, is very less is fruiting setting. So we just trialing which variety and which species are more suitable for this which climate and condition. So how can we suggest for farmers, so which variety is good for cultivation, higher cultivation and nutrient and how which soil and climate is we can easily grow. So look this okra, too much fruit is strength like this way. So okay guys, tata bye bye, like and comment and subscribe channel. Thank you.